This is a Sansui SR 1050C, fully manual turntable. I recently disassembled the motor. It had a typical ailment in that the cooling plate on the armature was loose. So after reattaching that, I decided to go ahead and clean the bearings and armature shaft and re-lubed it with some turbine oil, and now it works nice and smooth and quiet. The on lamp is working. It has the original cartridge, the SR32 cartridge, or SC32 I believe it is, and you can still get the stylus from LP Gear. I don't know the hours on this stylus, but it does track rather well. Hooked up to a Toshiba amp and a pair of Akai studio monitors. When I received it, the string on the anti-skate weight was a little too short. I got a piece of thread and lengthened it. I imagine you could replace that with some fishing line if you wanted it. But it seems to work just fine this way. Not a lot to the operation, it's fully manual. Oops, I guess you have to have it running to change the speed. It's got a good cover. No chips or cracks in it. Some few minor surface scratches, which is typical, and the wood case is in really good shape.